fire, drumming, dancing, making music, eating together.
If you come here, all the people give you so much love and kindness, and you really feel taken in their hands here.
Around 11 o'clock, the garden is full of light and the butterflies fly and you hear the ocean. And you have all these beautiful vegetables. And to harvest them every morning, bring them into the kitchen and see at lunchtime how it's cooked and prepared in such a lovable way.
I was able to learn and to experience cooking for so many people, for nurturing big groups, and also being able to cook with the food that comes here from the garden. What I have learned and done here for the first time, holding a women's circle, meditations in the mornings, the yoga classes. I have been able and gifted to take part in the movement medicine classes that are here, and all of this has come together as one big learning experience.
This ability to be myself again, with all my sides, with my light but also my shadow.
This place is a good place to come back to the middle, and then from there you can go out again. Because if you're centered and in you just have to let it flow.
There's so much to learn, so much to experience, so much to learn about yourself.
I think it's how we're supposed to live at the end of the day, in community, in togetherness.
Each and everyone really decides how deep they want to go, but if you want to go deep, then you can.
Be part of the Argayall Experience because it's a lot of fun. You learn a lot.
You're learning things that you can't even imagine learning before.
You will for sure be challenged in many ways, but this challenge is sometimes what it needs to grow.
We're going to have a lot of fun, we're going to laugh, we're going to cry, we're going to dance together, we're going to be vulnerable, and so don't miss out.